My tomato plants keep dropping their flowers after a few days. The flower seems to snap off on the stem close to the flower. This has been happening for 4 years. I do get a few tomatoes, but most of the flowers drop off. How can I keep the flowers from dropping and get more tomatoes? Thank you, and this is from Douglas. So, Alainia, we're gonna come to you, our tomato expert. So, how can you keep the flowers from dropping off and get more tomatoes? What do you think the problem is here?
Okay, Mr. Douglas, we've got, they could be dropping due to stress, just from the heat stress or water stress or lack of water stress. So first, look at the plant, see if the plant looks happy, okay? You can't do anything about your heat. As far as make sure that you're watering consistently, you want to water about what they're going to drink inside that day. But they will adapt, but just be consistent with how you water. But I would suspect if the temperatures are high with your summer heat, that temperatures over 90 degrees, the pollen is not as viable. So they're probably just dropping because they did not get pollinated. With this, he might consider it self-pollination. And I think that'll probably fix it.
Right, because most of your tomato plants are wind pollinated. Yeah, if it's above 90 degrees though, those flowers are just going to abort. It's going to drop off. Anything you want to add to that, Booker?
Now this is good because the heat, we've had some hot weather now, and this could be some of the problem we're having going around the heat and the water stress on that. It could cause the tomato to do that.
Right, so consistent watering, right?
Do what you can.
Do what you can.
It will cool off.
Will it?
It will eventually, but self-pollinate. It gets you through the hot weather. And you will get fruit.
So you hear that, Mr. Douglas? Alainia says you will get fruit. So be patient. Be patient. It won't be hot forever, she says.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.